here. So I ordered myself 2 size 8s and 1 size 9. So size 8 is medium. So the materials you need are a heat press. It doesn't have to be this big. Your sublimation paper, sublimation blanks, a lint roller, these husky pliers, a pair of scissors, some heat resistant tape, and some heat gloves. First, we have to lint roll the straps because lint is the enemy when you're doing sublimation. All right, now that I've lint rolled my straps, I'm gonna cut the templates into 2 separate sheets. This is the template that goes on this strap, and then this one is the one for this strap. So you're gonna place it face down, and then the thing with words is you kind of have to like line it up and make sure that it's straight. Make sure you have enough bleed to go over the sides right here, and make sure it covers all parts of the strap. And I'm just gonna apologize in advance because I don't have my tripod with me. Another thing with sublimation, it prints out kind of like dull, but once you heat press it, the true colors will show through. So for now, I think I got this strap kind of perfect, but we'll see after I press it what it looks like. So what you want to do is get your heat resistant tape and then tape a couple pieces on the strap and the paper so that it doesn't move while you put it on the heat press. All right, so when you place it onto the heat press, you want to make sure that these plastic parts are not going to get touched by the metal plate at all, because they will melt, and melted plastic does not smell good. Okay, so this heat press is an automatic one. So what that means is when the timer is done, it's gonna open by itself. Okay, here's the first one. You want to make sure that when it opens, you take off the sublimation paper immediately so that it doesn't ghost. The white part is supposed to be there because that's how it was designed. So yeah, as you can see, there is an obvious color difference between it just being on the paper and it being pressed onto the blank. I think it looks so cute. So same thing with this side, you want to make sure that you have enough bleed to go around, especially for these parts right here. And you also want to make sure that the words are kind of straight and kind of line up evenly with the other one you did. Okay, now that both of them are finished heat pressed, getting heat pressed, you have to assemble them. So yeah, I'm not sure how I'm going to show y'all how to assemble them. Let me work something out. Okay, so you have the shoe, the pliers, stick it in, turn it, open. Okay, we have the first one done.